Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're eager to become a Java expert and unlock a world of programming possibilities, you're in for a treat.
In this video, we're introducing you to the best Java training institute in Electronic City Bangalore, eMexo Technologies.
Whether you're an IT professional, an aspiring programmer, a software developer, a tech enthusiast, a business leader, a student, or someone looking to switch careers, this video is for you. Let's dive right in.
eMexo Technologies is your gateway to Java mastery nestled in the heart of Electronic City Bangalore.
But what sets eMexo apart as the top choice for Java training in the region? Let's explore.
When it comes to Java training, expertise is everything. At eMexo Technologies, we are known for our profound expertise in Java. With years of experience and a proven track record, we stand as a symbol of excellence in the field.
eMexo offers a diverse range of comprehensive Java courses, designed to cover every aspect of this versatile programming language. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned developer, we have the perfect course for your learning journey.
We believe that experienced instructors make all the difference. Our Java experts aren't just teachers, they are mentors who guide you through the intricacies of Java, sharing their real-world experiences and preparing you for success in the programming world.
At eMexo Technologies, we emphasize hands-on learning. You won't just learn Java theory, you'll apply your knowledge through practical projects and real-world scenarios, gaining the hands-on experience that sets you apart in the competitive field of software development.
Whether you're an IT professional looking to upskill, an aspiring programmer on the path to excellence, a software developer hungry for knowledge, a tech enthusiast seeking a new challenge, a student aiming for a bright future, or a career changer exploring new opportunities, eMexo Technologies is your stepping stone to Java success.
Don't miss this fantastic opportunity to master Java with eMexo Technologies. Visit our website www.emexotechnologies.com or get in touch with us today to start your Java learning journey. eMexo Technologies, the best Java training institute in Electronic City Bangalore. Thank you for watching. Reach us on www.emexotechnologies.com +919513216462.